Hi guys, this is Seth. Welcome back to Warthog Defense. As Ukrainian forces await much needed ammunition and supplies, they continue to implement an effective strategy by targeting Russian logistics centers. Recently, Ukrainian forces launched an attack on the Russian region of Belgorod, resulting in the destruction of a large oil depot.
The main Directorate of Intelligence, HUR, of the Ministry of Defense carried out an attack on a Russian oil depot in the Belgorod region, resulting in a fire. This is the HUR operation. Successful destruction of a military object, the source said, without providing further details. Russian Telegram channel 112 reported that the explosion occurred on Tuesday morning, March 5th. While Ukrainian intelligence did not disclose the specific weapon used, Russian social media suggests a drone strike. The Gubkinsky oil depot was attacked by a UAV in the village of Dolgo in the Belgorod region. One tank is on fire. A fire train is on the way, the Telegram post says. Other Telegram channels said that the two tanks were already ablaze. Ukraine targeted key Russian sites in Crimea and Russia, hitting oil refineries and an airbase over the weekend. Russian media claim Ukraine launched a 38-drone attack on targets in Feodosia, Crimea on Sunday. Another drone explosion on the Tavrida highway resulted in a 5 by 5 meters in diameter crater about 4 meters deep. Another social media report says that an unknown 7-meter-long drone crashed on the territory of the St. Petersburg oil terminal in the Leningrad region of Russia on Saturday. Ukrainian Air Force Mi-17 in action near Avdiivka. Notably, fighting continues for Berdichi, Tonenka, and Orlivka. The Ukrainian army is trying to hold the villages. Lithuania will join the Czech initiative to purchase ammunition for Ukraine. Several European countries have already agreed to join the coalition to buy shells for Ukraine in a third country. Shells are in great deficit for Ukrainian defenders on the battlefield now. Petr Fiala, Prime Minister of the Czech Republic, about 15 countries have agreed to join an initiative led by his country to purchase ammunition for the armed forces of Ukraine from third countries outside the European Union that were discovered by the Czech Republic. Mark Rutte, Prime Minister of the Netherlands. Mark Rutte, Prime Minister of the Netherlands. His country will allocate 100 million euros for this purchase. I think there was a great sense of urgency, particularly for the short term on ammunition and on air defense. I hope other countries will follow, Rutte said. Russian State Duma proposes to check for espionage and expel all Western ambassadors. Russian MP Mikhail Sheremit, representative of the annexed Crimea, suggested checking European Union ambassadors in Moscow for espionage after they refused to meet with Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov, RIA Novosti reports. The stance of European ambassadors is unthinkable and insulting. This is real boorishness, he said. Apparently they have something to hide and are ashamed to look our foreign minister in the eye. I believe we should obligatorily organize a check of Western ambassadors for espionage, provocative activities, and interference in Russia's internal affairs. Sheremet added that Russia provided Western ambassadors with all conditions for work and accommodation, and they respond with disrespect and arrogance. Attention, Germany! Russian propagandist Kiselev discusses bombing German bridges in great detail.
При всей продвинутости собеседников у них в головах не всплывают картинки лучших мостов в Германии. В этой довольно тесной стране, конечно, нет таких длинных, как Крымский, но все же тоже есть на что посмотреть через ракетный прицел. Вот, например, автомобильно-железнодорожный мост Фемерзунд в Балтийском море. Длина чуть менее километра, но пропускает под собой и океанские лайнеры высотой до 23 метров. Чем не ответная цель для нашего гиперзвукового циркона. Но если уж немцы хотят рушить наш Крымский мост по всей длине, а не просто делать в нем дырки, о чем тоже шла речь, что придется обратить внимание и на другие мосты в Германии, чтобы добрать ответный ущерб по погонным метрам. Тогда уж Рюгенский мост тоже добавляем. Общая длина около 3 километров. Одна из частей разводная для пропуска больших судов через пролив Штралезунд. Но по метражу и Рюгенского моста будет мало. Тогда уж обратим внимание на железнодорожный мост Гогенцоллерна в самом Кёльне через Рейн. В сутки пропускает через себя 1200 железнодорожных составов. Вот пробка-то будет. И все равно по метражу пока не дотягиваем. Тогда уж и вишенка на торте. Магдебургский водный мост. Длина основного пролета около километра, ширина русла 34 метра, глубина 4,5. Водный путь соединяет внутренний речной порт Берлина с портами на Рейне. Начал возводиться еще до Второй мировой, достроен в 21 веке. Жалко будет. Но что делать? Наш Крымский мост им не жалко.
Left. Medvedev about 10 years ago, holding a Russian smartphone called Yodaphone. He said at the time that Apple got very worried when they saw it. Right. Medvedev yesterday holding an iPad, making nuclear threats to the West. Serhii Haidarji lost his wife and 4-month-old son when a Russian drone hit a residential building in Odessa. He shares that forensics revealed both died in their sleep and did not suffer long. That is comforting for him. My heart breaks for Serhii.
Доктора сделали экспертизу и сказали, что они ушли во сне вдвоем. Их нашли рядом. Анечка как уснула, ручка вот так вот, и Тимофей, как он спал, ручками вверх, как знаете, детки обычно спят. Они были вместе, и это очень быстро произошло, они не мучились. Для меня тоже это важно было.
These attacks on Russian oil depot are causing very huge damage to the Russian logistic, and we will continue to monitoring the situation. Stay with Warthog Defense, comment, like, subscribe, become our member and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.